Golly.
Unruly.
Anyone who not really ready? Yeah. When you ready?
No shit.
Watch this. Woo! My style, my flow are the hardest. Reaping the fruits of the harvest. Some up on the stairs, them can't test. Never fool who wipe my mind cardless. For reach my level are the hardest. Cause they gotta lock it regardless. Me sting like what's me chop like glass. Nigga buy a lot of gas is a hard press. Fuck course time I been new. Lock the crowd from me intro. Learn from what I've been through. What I've been through, what I've been through. So me rise to the top, and I mean can't stop. So me rise to the top, ain't looking back. Who don't want some stop?
No time.
But we don't give a fuck. Who don't want some bro? But we don't give a fuck.
The boy them want see we dead. One hot man like cigarette. Him a pre anywhere me dead, everywhere me go. And I watch every dollar sign on me make. Holy God say I pay millions you forget. Separation time real thugs no forget anymore. Try stop me food right now. Bully them forget. All of me link them circumspect. We no take talk from super spec. Me and me one boss last time he check. That's why them a pray for me fall and break. Any more we violate get bullet in a neck. That's why them vex and money make. No
who don't want some stop? But we don't give a fuck. Who don't want some bro? But we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck about it. We don't really care what the fuck you want to do. God, I'm about to give us all the million dollars. Anywhere I get you, that's my killing spot. God damn, I'm out with the hottest girls. Golly God with the hottest verse. Me stay on top and see Genesis. Me never fall off like water surf. Me true to the game like Genesis. Real pain, real words. None of them wanna see me in a real earth. When I want some stop, but we don't give a fuck. When I want some bro, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. Please say we don't give a fuck. No, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. Jamaica is the love the Gully God, you know. I'm the baddest thing you ever see, and everybody know. And we don't give a fuck.